Today I'll show you how to fix the problem when a profile picture is not showing on WhatsApp. Sometimes you open WhatsApp and notice that someone's profile photo is blank. You only see a grey circle. This can feel confusing because you don't know whether it is a technical issue, a privacy setting, or something else. In this video, I'll explain the real reasons this happens and how you can fix it step by step. First, understand why this happens. When a WhatsApp profile picture is not showing, it usually happens for one of these reasons. The person changed their privacy settings. You don't have their number saved correctly. You were blocked. You blocked them by mistake. Your app has a small bug or cache issue. Now let's fix it one by one. Method 1. Check their privacy settings. WhatsApp allows users to control who can see their profile photo. They can set it to everyone, my contacts except, and nobody. If their setting is my contacts and they don't have your number saved, you won't see their photo. You cannot change their privacy setting, but you can make sure you save their correct number with the country code. Ask them to check their profile picture privacy settings. They can go to settings, then privacy and profile photo to view their privacy settings. Method 2. Check if you are blocked. If someone blocks you on WhatsApp, you won't see their profile picture. You won't see their last seen or online status. Your messages will show only one tick. If all these signs appear together, there is a chance you are blocked. In that case, there is nothing you can do unless the person unblocks you. Method 3. Check if you blocked them. Sometimes you may have blocked someone by mistake. To check, open WhatsApp, go to settings, then privacy, and from here tap on the blocked contacts. See if the number is there. If yes, tap on it and unblock. After unblocking, their profile picture should appear again. Method 4. Allow contact permissions. If WhatsApp does not have permission to access your contacts, it may fail to show profile photos properly. You need to allow WhatsApp to access contacts. Here is how you can do it. On Android, long press WhatsApp and tap the eye icon. Now scroll down and tap on the permissions, and from here allow contacts. On iPhone, go to settings, scroll down and tap apps. From here, search for WhatsApp and tap on it. Now find the contacts option and allow WhatsApp to read your contacts. Now restart WhatsApp and check again. Method 5. Update your WhatsApp. Sometimes a buggy version of WhatsApp might have problems and doesn't work properly as intended. This could also be one of the reasons why profile pictures are not showing on your WhatsApp. To fix this, you can update your WhatsApp on your Android and iPhone. On Android, you can go to the Play Store, search for WhatsApp and find the app. Tap on Update to update it to the latest version. On iPhone, open the App Store, search for WhatsApp and update the app if an update is available. If this video helped you, like and subscribe. If you still have doubts, comment below and I'll help you figure it out. See you in the next one.